Dyson Supersonic. Yo, for $400, it better come with a fucking stylist, you feel me? But it doesn't. I don't know what the fuck I'm... Oh. Sometimes I talk to myself because I gotta make sure someone's giving me a check. Let's get straight to the video. Let me take this thing off. Welcome back to the Real Catherine Rojas channel. For this video, I'm gonna be reviewing a product, and this is not a sponsored product. I've read so many great reviews on it, and it's honestly my first time trying it out, so I want to see how it goes. This is the product. You guys have probably seen this before at Sephora, everywhere else. Amazon, I know it has it. This is like a $300/$400. I'm gonna leave the price below because I don't remember if it was $300 or $400, but I know it was a lot of money. The reason why made me buy this product is because I had a dryer before that I bought at Marshall's. The $20 dryer that I bought. Oh my god, it's like my words are like, I'm like choking on my words today. Let's focus because I swear I have the worst ADD ever. This is the dryer that I was using. This hot tool dryer. Doing the job. I lost the head of it. I don't know where it went. I've been using it like this. The problem with this is that you guys see this hair, guys? You guys see how long? Hold on. Ooh, I'm gonna start doing. My hair is really long and really thick. That's what she said. Here at the bottom, it was just not drying out. I decided to take a new adventure and try a different dryer. Here is the Dyson Supersonic. Chum chum. Yo, for $400, it better come with a fucking stylist, you feel me? But it doesn't. Let's see how we open this thing. Let's see. I don't even know if this is gonna be good, bad, but I don't really know. We're gonna try it out. Oh, okay, fancy dancy. The box was broken though. This is what it looks like inside. Here you have your hello, how you doing dryer, your diffuser with just, this is what I'm gonna be using today. My first time trying this out. With this one and this one, I don't know what the difference of them are, but I'm sure there's a huge difference that I just don't know what it is. There you go. So one is for smoothing, one is for styling, and one is a diffuser. It comes with a little this thingy. Go in there, thank you. One of the products that I'm going to be using, which I'm not a big fan of products, I just ordered this primer styler on Sephora about a month ago and I never used it, so I'm going to be using it today. It's this one. It's the Call Time Styler Primer by IGK. I'm gonna go and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put so on my ends. I haven't brushed my hair yet. I'm gonna put it on top. And yes, I'm wearing no makeup. Let's move on from that. Thank you. I'm gonna be detangling my hair, which honestly I don't brush my hair ever because it gets so tangled, tangled. If you catch me outside, I never brush my hair. I brush my hair like every 3 days, no lie. Fuck it. Fuck it. Just kidding. I'm crazy, but I'm not that crazy, you feel me? My hair is detangled. I'm gonna go turn on the Dyson. I don't even know if that's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it. It's straight to the diffuser, my friend. I don't wanna break you. But what is all of this? This is so extra. I like it. I don't know what the fuck I'm... Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It's actually a nice speed. So I'm guessing this red button is for hot. Here we have 3 different kinds of hot. We have 3 different speeds. I have this device inside of me. The on, the off, and hold. Before my hair gets more dry, let's go. Oh. It's magnetic. Let's go. Wow. My cheeks are so red. Holy fuck. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? It's like a little beachy, like I have wavy hair, so this is not normally how my hair would come out when I blow dry. Super cute actually, like it's definitely different. I'm not used to this unless I go to the beach, but I like it. Finish it with this, which is a bombshell blowout spray at Marshalls for 10 bucks. That I buy a whole bunch of hair products and I never wear any of it. If you want to recommend me any hair products, please comment on the comments below and let me know any recommendation, or if there's any companies that want to send me some products to try out. More than welcome. I have my business email on my channel. I also have all my social media outlets. Make sure you guys follow me everywhere. Just make sure you don't follow me home. The spray just kind of like hold the curls together. It honestly took less than 15 minutes. I feel like this is such a great going out look. If you want to dress up, do your makeup super cute, not take too much time to do your hair, just blow dry and make it all crazy like this. Some of your hairs come out, or like, I don't know, because I'm not good at hairstyles, but something like, I don't know, something like this. Prefer my hair straight, or do you prefer my hair curly? I hope you guys like this look. If you guys didn't, I know you low-key did. But that being said, we'll have a brand new video next week. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you didn't, still give it a thumbs up because you know you did like it. For those of you guys that watched my whole entire product review, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys show me week after week. And if you haven't been told that you're beautiful, you're fucking beautiful, okay? I hope you guys have an amazing week. Remember to be you, be beautiful, because there's nobody else like you.